Go straight across from my guests who are joining me this evening. Abhishek Sudhir is an advocate. Mayank Sinha is a member of the political advisor to the JDU. Joining us on the broadcast, Vivek Silas is the national spokesperson of the Samajwadi Party, and Tehseen Poonawalla is a political analyst joining us on the broadcast as well. Thank you, gentlemen, for joining us. Vivek Silas, I'm going to start with you, given the fact that your leader actually was in Parliament today speaking against the amendments to the bill. My question to you is, what's the problem? The Waqf board is known to be a land grabber. Kabhi bhi subah utھ ke they decide this land is mine, this property is mine. They will go, they'll hatyao it. And when the poor person comes to say, sir, ye to aapne galat kiya, who's the arbitrator and the judge in the case? The Waqf board itself. So what's the problem with what the BJP government is trying to do? How is this anti-Muslim?
I think the Samajwadi never said that it's anti-Muslim. I think the only thing as of now I can say, Shreya ji, is that this is a legal way adopted by the Bharatiya Janata Party to confiscate the land. The land, it's not just about the Waqf board. If you see what happened in Ayodhya, I want your viewers to listen very carefully. There was a defense land in Ayodhya, which was used by the defense people. They had the shooting range and everything. In November 2023, what happened? It was amended and it was given to Adani and Baba Ramdev. If we see the railway land or the Nazul land, this is what the government is doing. We just need a guarantee from the government, even if you confiscate the land. Suppose you have confiscated the land from the board after making the bill. You are not going to sell it to your industrialist friend. The Bharatiya Janata Party is acting like a, real estate agent. Or they are acting like a land mafia, that is all.
No, तो land mafia तो Waqf board है.
Yes, ma'am.
That one day got up in 2013 in Madhya Pradesh and decided that 4 historical monuments protected by the Archaeological Survey of India belong to them. ऐसे ही सुबह उठ के. The Madhya Pradesh High Court actually yesterday had to say, why are you stopping here? Claim the entire country as Waqf property. Taj Mahal ko bhi claim kar dijiye. The point is, why are you calling the government of India a land grabber when the Waqf itself has that image?
Because the land was grabbed from the defense, defense land was grabbed and given to the industrialist friend.
It was given to Adani.
That is why I am calling the Bharatiya Janata Party. Ultimately, what happened in Burhanpur, ma'am? I just want to ask you. I was listening to your, your summary very, very carefully, and ultimately, what happened in Burhanpur? The Honorable High Court or the Supreme Court had said, no, this land is not yours. It's not practically possible that suppose the Waqf board comes tomorrow and says the Times Now office is mine or the Mirror office is mine. You have the authorities, you have the higher courts. You can go and you settle. It should be settled by the court. It's not that the government can come and say and confiscate anything and give it to their friends or the industrialists. That is not going to work. Let's see, the JPC has been formed now. Let's see what happens.
Yeah, it's interesting that a JPC has been formed because this government, at least its past record shows us, is not very fond of JPCs. Why did that happen? That is something I'm going to come to next. But Mayank Sinha, I want you to respond to what the Samajwadi Party and almost every opposition party said in Parliament today, that the move is anti-Muslim. Mr. Silas here is going ahead and even making the claim that this is the government acting like a real estate agent. They essentially want to grab all land and give it to their industrialist friends. Chaliye, last part can be rhetoric. But why would the government even want to interfere with what the Waqf is doing?
No. I asked my friend, if there is any attack in Muslim on minority, this bill is against for the Muslim or minority. This bill is necessary for the transparency and accountability. And it is very necessary. Each and every government look the matters very seriously for any संस्था और like that, तो उसकी accountability fixed हो. तो इसमें किसी का कहाँ कुछ नुकसान हो रहा है? Opposition always created trouble, क्योंकि वहां प्रधानमंत्री जी बैठे हुए हैं, मोदी जी, तो उनको उनके चेहरे से बड़ा नफरत है, उनके काम से बड़ा नफरत है. देश को मजबूत करने के लिए जो काम आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री जी कर रहे हैं, उनको उससे बहुत नफरत है. और एक बात मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ
अच्छा
कि
ठीक है।
बिहार में माननीय मुख्यमंत्री जी ने आपको इसको एक नजीर भी पेश किया है कि वक्फ बोर्ड की जमीन को जिला समाहर्ता, जो डिस्ट्रिक्ट कलेक्टर कहे जाते हैं और भूमि बंदोबस्त पदाधिकारी होते हैं, उनको सर्वे करने का काम भी दिया था 2019 में, और उनको 100 करोड़ रुपए भी दिए थे कि इस जितने भी जमीन है वक्फ बोर्ड के, बिहार सुन्नी वक्फ बोर्ड के और बिहार शिया वक्फ बोर्ड के, इसके जमीन को आप लोग आकलन करके इस पे मल्टीपर्पज हॉल, हॉस्पिटल, स्कूल बनाइए फॉर द वेलफेयर ऑफ द सोसाइटी। तो इसमें दिक्कत किस बात का है भाई?
ओके,
अगर किसी संस्था की
ठीक है भाई, दिक्कत
अकाउंटेबिलिटी
किस
को
बात
फिक्स
की है?
किया जा रहा है, तो दिक्कत कहाँ हो रहा है? दिक्कत
हाँ।
इनको इसलिए हो रहा है
गुड पॉइंट, गुड पॉइंट।